Hello everyone, Justin from Oakley Home Access, your full-service home modification company focusing on aging in place, increasing accessibility, and fall prevention in the elderly community. This week we're going to talk about another one of my arch rivals in home safety. It is the suction grab bar. Now, very common in the community. It serves as a quick fix. You can buy it anywhere at Walmart for $10, $15 and pop it onto the wall. The fiberglass or the tile, it may stick to temporarily. However, you will see on the bar, literally written, it says, "Do not use for weight bearing." So in my eyes, what is it good for? If you can't bear weight through it in an emergency situation, it's not going to help you at all and can be very, very dangerous. On the tile, anytime there's any grout line that it perhaps passes through, you'll never get a good connection. Even on the fiberglass, where you may feel like you have a nice connection, over time, that's going to loosen. Over a matter of days or weeks, it may even loosen. You never really know. Change in temperature, the water, the moisture, the humidity, lots of variables in the bathroom that are going to make that suction grab bar come loose. Now, the alternative solution, of course, is the stainless steel grab bar that is mounted into the wall. So we have specialty equipment that we're able to mount into the wall and do into studs or into hollow areas as needed. We'll do another video about the mounting brackets for the grab bars, but just know that there's an alternative to suction grab bars, stainless steel grab bars that are drilled and mounted into the wall, into the fiberglass, into the tile, is always going to be a safer solution. The one thing I do use the suction grab bars for are simply an indicator to help show me when I walk into a bathroom where the individual likes the bar. So when we're drilling and assessing for the exact location of the permanent bar, we're able to use that to assess. It's the only thing they're good for. Otherwise, we do a buyback program. We'll give you $20 off your bill to get that off the street, to get it out of the bathroom, and not giving you a false sense of security. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for joining us. Again, Justin Oakley with Oakley Home Access, your full-service home modification company, servicing all of Rhode Island and just trying to keep folks safe in their home through aging in place, fall prevention, increasing accessibility, wide variety of solutions, grab bars, ramps, stair lifts. Check us out on our website, oakleyhomeaccess.com. You can find us on Facebook. Just search for Oakley Home Access. You can call me, 401-743-5895, arrange a free home assessment. We can find a wide variety of solutions for everywhere in the home. Thanks for joining us. See you next week.